In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up inventory management in ClickUp using the built-in template. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system to track items, stock levels, and reorder points without building anything from scratch. Start by logging into your ClickUp account and landing on the home page. Here you'll see your spaces and recent activity, which is a great way to confirm you're in the right place before creating something new. Next, create a dedicated space for your inventory. In the left sidebar, hover over spaces and click the plus button. Then choose Create Space. This opens the template selection area, which saves time and ensures your setup follows best practices. In the template search bar, type Inventory Management. If you don't see what you need, turn on other template types to reveal more options. Look for the Inventory Management template. It's usually a folder type template designed to organize your lists and fields for stock tracking. Click Use Template to continue. You'll be asked where to create the folder. Select the appropriate workspace. Your main workspace is usually best, but any workspace you use for operations works. Keep the default settings so the template installs with recommended views and fields, then click Use Template again. You can monitor progress in the activity log at the bottom left. Once it shows success, you're ready to move on. Open the workspace you selected and locate the new Inventory Management folder. Inside, you'll find an inventory list, which is where you'll add and manage items. To add items, click Add Task in the inventory list, name the item like ECB or Resistor Pack, and click Save. Each task represents a single inventory item. To edit details, open the item and update key information such as dates for received, expiry, or reorder timing, tags to capture category, supplier, or location, and assignees to identify who's responsible. For inventory-specific data, use the custom fields provided, like cost per unit, current inventory, and reorder level. You can edit these directly in the task or inline in the list for faster updates. Use the status column to mark an item as in stock, out of stock, or no longer used. Changing the status gives you a quick visual snapshot of what needs attention. For larger inventories, the list view lets you see everything at once, bulk edit fields, and apply filters to show only out-of-stock items. You can also sort by cost, stock level, or category to prioritize purchasing. When you're ready to roll this out elsewhere, duplicate the inventory management folder or the entire space. Reusing the template keeps your tracking consistent and easy to maintain. That's all for today.